Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add volume keys to a non-multimedia keyboard. So I have recently purchased this new keyboard and it don't have volume up and down keys, and it's kind of frustrating for me because my muscle memory always want to go up to increase or decrease the volume. So what should I do? Well, we're going to see how to make a software that uses these non-used keys, mostly like print screen, scroll lock, and force, and more. So these keys we don't use so much, so we're gonna see how to use those keys to increase and decrease volumes. And it's only 15 lines of code. Yeah, you heard me right. It's only 15 lines of code. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So let's open Python. You can use your favorite Python IDE, and I'm gonna create a new project. And I'm gonna name it as keyboard 1, and let's create a main py file and create this window. So it's creating the virtual environment, so let's wait. So it successfully created the project for us, so we're gonna install a few libraries. So how do we do that? So go to file, go to settings, and go for the project, and you could see Python interpreter, and wait for a moment, let it wait up, and you could see this plus icon, and click that icon, and we're gonna install a library called pynput. It's pynput. So this is the library, so we're gonna install that. So wait for some moment, and it successfully installed the library for us. And we also need one more library, which is PyInstaller. So let's install this library as well. So this library helps us to make the Python code to an executive file. It's a wonderful library, so we could use we can make our codes and make it as an executive file. So let's install that. Awesome, so it's installed. So let's get into the code. Alright, let's delete all this one, and from pynput keyboard import key listener and controller. Alright, and I'm gonna say keyboard equal to controller, and we're gonna create a function called onPress, and we're gonna add an attribute as key, and gonna create an if statement that if key equal to key dot print underscore screen, keyboard dot press open bracket key dot media underscore volume underscore mute. So what we are saying is we are using a function called onPress, and in that function if the key print screen some printing mistake, sorry for that, and if the key print screen is pressed, and we can see the keyboard to press media volume mute. So this is what it's gonna do is whenever we press the print screen button, it's gonna mute the volume. So we're gonna add a few more keys. Else if I'm gonna copy this, I'm just lazy, no, scroll underscore lock, and I'm also gonna copy this as well, and here I'm gonna say media underscore volume underscore down. Alright, and we're gonna do last, which is again this code serve dot key dot force, and it's gonna press the key. I'm going to copy this up. Awesome. So here we are declaring that if the key print screen is pressed, we're gonna mute the volume, mute or unmute, and if the key scroll lock, I don't know the spelling. Scroll, okay. Sorry for that. And if the scroll lock is pressed, we're gonna decrease the volume, and if the force is pressed, it's gonna increase the volume. So this is these are the keys we're gonna use, and with listener on underscore press equal on underscore press, and as listener sorry dot join. Alright, so these are the 15 lines of code. So let's run this program. Alright, I'm gonna press print screen, and you could see that the volume is muted and unmuted successfully, and I'm gonna press force to increase the volume. Oh, it threw me some error, and let me see. Oh, we added the name wrongly. It's volume, not volume. Alright, so let's rerun this. Okay, and when I press the force, and it's increasing the volume, and when I press the scroll down, it's decrease the volume. So it created the project successfully for us. So we're gonna convert this program into an executive file, so in that way we don't have to open PyCharm for every time to use this program. So how are we gonna do that? I'm gonna show you. So let's stop this program. Alright, and let's go to the terminal, and in this terminal we're gonna enter py installer space, and we're gonna see the name is main.py, and we're gonna use 2 items and 1 file. So let's hit enter, and it threw us some errors. So I guess it's regarding to the path. So I'm gonna install it from here. So pip install by installer. So let us install. Oh, again, spelling mistake, dude. What is wrong with me? Install by installer. Let's hit enter, and it's gonna install for us. So wait for some minutes. So it successfully installed us by installer. So let's do this code once again. So it's by installer space the file name, which is main.py, and 1 file. Alright, let's hit enter, and it's gonna take some time, and it successfully created our exe file, and we could see there are 2 folders, and we're gonna go to this folder called dist, and here we have the main.exe file. So let's open this folder, right click, open in Explorer, and we could see this dist file. Let's go to this, and we have this main file. So let's run this file, and it's open. So let me press print screen. It's muting and unmuting. Let me press scroll lock. It's decreasing the volume. Let me press force and it's increasing the volume. So this is how we're gonna make a software to use the non-used keys to our use. In this case, we created mute, volume down, and volume up. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.